So I am convinced that now everybody can recognize this triangle pattern on the Bitcoin chart. But obviously the special thing about this triangle is that the market makers have now printed the triangle, but we were recognizing it over at Chart Champions weeks in advance before it even started to be formed, where the lows, and highs of the triangle would be put in, and each step of the way nailing the trades to the lows, back up to the highs, even the day where the high would be put in, to the lows, back up to the highs. From start to finish, the triangle has been traded very well indeed. This is the powerful bit about the triangle and trading in general. The members that can educate themselves and understand how and why we trade this way to then make money alongside me, that's the dream. That's why I created Chart Champions. It was to educate and empower people to fulfill their dreams, to make money trading, to become their own boss, to not be a slave of a 9-to-5 system. You know, myself, I came from this, and then I worked hard, reached my goals, and came to a level of trading where I could then pass on my knowledge and share. And my dream really was to just help as many people as possible. And now it's coming to fruition. It just feels really, really, really good. And I feel that we've got a really positive space where people can come in, empower themselves, educate themselves, and work towards their dreams. Just like we all share such a passion for trading. Like, we all absolutely love trading. We love technical analysis. And for me to now be in the position, to have people alongside me in the team, helping me, empower essentially other people, I think it is really, 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 really nice in a space where there's so much hate and toxic behavior, to have just a positive environment that is here to help people move forwards with their goals and dreams. It's a rare space in the 2020 era. And one of the things that I'm really proud of myself is that we do this on live stream. I'm one of the only traders in the crypto space that will do this on live stream, that will do this on video, show results, show positions. Because then there's no way that it can be argued that it's fake. So I, for my enjoyment, I asked somebody to go back and record some of the clips. I've put it together in a little bit of a montage, and I just hope that you enjoy. And yeah, add on this video to the psychology section. As you all know, I've been scalp trading today, as we've already hit realized profit 7,500, done about $10,000 profit this morning. So the scalps are still going well, slowly going up. We're looking for about 215,000 contracts. We've got 135,000 contracts at the moment. Just got to keep letting people bang onto this. Last video of the day, I promise you. Just took another scalp trade here. Let's just see what we can do in 15 seconds. Oh wow, look at this go. This is why I love scalp trading, literally. It is just so fun. So fun. I'm currently in a short position. As you can see, this is going very nice indeed. This is about 12 hours. I opened this position last night, and it's currently sat at around $12,200 profit. Okay, for 12 hours, that's a pretty nice trade. Okay, so So how about that for a short position then, catching the high of the wick there on this short on Bitcoin, 9,280 region that I was going for. You might ask, why are you looking for that region? Well, I recognize the demand that we had off of that drop down to 9,460. Okay. So today we're having some fun with XRP, and I never thought I would see the day of me trading XRP, let alone to say XRP is doing one of the best for me today. This is absolutely just very funny. XRP. Wow, what can you say? That's a nice move. Anticipated the move, but yeah, XRP. Wow. So I've just taken a scalp trade. Let's see how much profit we can do in 15 seconds here. Here we go. It is starting. Come on, baby. 30 $30, $40, $100. Well, how about that for starting the day? That is $2,000 profit already, and this was 4 minutes. This was 4 minutes, $2,000. Basically, what happened was I saw we hit the naked point of control 10,800. Took the short, and 4 minutes later we got the drop. I don't know, that was funny. Take profit one was obviously the swing fire pattern of the last low, which has been hit. I'll let the rest of the position ride, which is ×1. Yeah, great start to the day. I have realized the profits on that trade, and the extra profits that I have made this week I have just sent over to Coinbase and sold them once more. That's another, well, you can see here, sitting on about 150 grand now in a few weeks. So yeah, what going obviously very well to trades, and I just want to highlight you. Oh man, we just keep going today. Obviously we had the initial drop to 10k, the next rise which I managed to short, and the drop there short. That's another $7,000 profit today. With a short position which is sat in around $5,300 of profit in not even 1 day of trading. So this has definitely gone very well. Yeah, so now that there you go. Thank you very much indeed. Cheers and goodbye.